Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how you can change currency on Guarda Wallet application. To change the default currency or display currency on the Guarda Wallet app, first of all open the application on your preferred device. From the home page, go ahead and look for the settings button appearing at the bottom right hand corner, or this settings icon may be placed on a different location depending upon your device that you're using. Either way, tap on the settings button to open up the settings menu. Now scroll down from the settings menu and tap on local currency. Choose the currency like USD, EUR, etc. Simply tap on the currency you want to set as your default. Soon after you do that, the app will display values in the selected currency from now onwards. That's how you can change your currency on Guarda Wallet app, which will now allow you to see your crypto balance in a fiat currency of your choice. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.